So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Orient Greenpower share. So previously, when you have done the complete technical analysis, we have seen all the important supports and resistances. So finally, today the stock has declared the Q3 numbers. So we'll try to find out how the company has performed and what can be the next levels in the coming sessions. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so let's get into the results, how the stock has performed, and also we'll try to have a year on year comparison followed by quarter on quarter comparison. So first, let us talk about how the company has performed year on year basis. So obviously the stock has performed very well. So last year, if we see at the same point of time, the company was in losses. But the same time, if you see the current situation, now the stock has posted some very good numbers if we try to compare on year basis. So let's see the total income. So where it stands as compared to previous year. So total income is also very good as compared to the previous. You can see 27,502, and earnings before interest and taxes. So that also you can see considerable increases present. Margins have increased. So everything, if you see year on year basis, the stock has performed very well. So profit before tax and profit after tax, so everything stood at a very good range if we try to compare on year basis. So now let us do the analysis on quarter basis and we'll see how the stock has performed. Okay, so now let us try to compare the quarter on quarter result. So how the company has performed in this particular Q3. So first, let us try to see the total income. So if you see the total income, so slight decrement is present as compared to the previous quarter. So it's somewhere around 8,254, but whereas in the previous quarter, it was somewhere around 11,504. Right. So next, if we go to total expenses, so we can say total expenses have significantly decreased as compared to previous quarter, which is a good thing. And next, if we go a little bit down and if you see profit after tax, before tax followed by after tax, you can see that also significantly we are seeing a little bit of change as compared to previous quarters. And rest everything, as you can see, apart from expenses, so everything on quarter basis we are seeing little bit of fall, but year on year basis significantly the stock has performed very well, so no doubt about it. And if we try to see today's trading session also, the selling orders were reducing, so slightly the selling orders also have come down because few people are taking the buying position because of today's result. As quarter on quarter basis it was not to that expectation, but year on year basis the company has performed very well. That's one of the reason that you need to keep in mind. So quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the basic supports and resistances. Okay, so as we have discussed in the previous session, so again we'll try to rewind the level. So first, if you observe the weekly chart, you can take the same 20 rupees level as a very strong support and possible reversal zone in the coming session. So might be tomorrow itself we may see the stock opening from its lower circuits and a little bit of the buying volume may also be generated. So if not, that 20 rupees level, you can take it as a very strong reversal zone. So this is on weekly charts. And before going to the daily charts, you can observe the resistances. The very strong resistance is 25 rupees level. So it should cross that 25 rupees level, closing should be above that, then significantly we can expect the stock would be flying in the upside direction. So let's go to daily chart. Okay, so now if we go to the daily charts, you can see today we have seen a direct lower circuit. So in the previous session, even though it has closed in that LC, we have seen a little bit of opening in the circuit limits. So next support is somewhere around the same 20 rupees level, so no doubt about it. And if so, tomorrow if we see any opening, you can search for an average opportunity and you can enter in small portions. Resistance 25, immediately you should cross it for confirmation, and then we have 27.50. so keep these levels in radar. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.